Hello guys, how are you doing? Today we are going to remake Butterflies by William Black and Fairlane. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe for more upcoming videos like these. Now let's stop talking and dive straight into the video. Let's start with the guitar. Today I will show you how to quickly record a guitar and make it sound good. If you have an electric guitar, that's perfect. But if you don't have it like me, you can use any guitar. I always remake the songs that I love just to learn and grow myself. When you try to remake songs, every song that you do, and if you put those 10,000 hours of work, you will get better one day. Now let's stop talking and look at how I record and process my guitar. Here is one quick little tip. Play the guitar lead in half the BPM of original track. Let's say, if the track is at 100 BPM, I will play at 50, and later I will go and warp it. Have a look. Then I record one more take and pan them left and right. I usually use Logic for sounds. I always tell my students that Logic is probably one of the best software when you are looking for sounds. Here I have put some ME guitar amps on the track. Let's have a look. Add some good old sound goodizer. After all the processing, it sounded like this. Now let's have a look at the drums. Now let's address the elephant. Oh, by the way, quick little plug here. You can get all these presets sample pack by downloading the project file just for $50. Send me a direct message on my Instagram.
Do it!
Ableton Music Remakes.
Just do it! Don't let your dreams be dreams.
Or leave your email address in comment section down below. Let's get back into the video. Quick little tip for you guys. Never rely on sidechain compression. Resample the audio in a new track and create these fades wherever your kick and snare hits. Just remove those frequencies away from your drums. Do it with your sub bass, and most importantly, do not forget to subscribe. And that's it. I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. Here is the final result. If you liked the video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more upcoming videos like these. If anyone wants the project file, let me know in the comment section down below. I will see you guys next time.